Hi, this is Casey with Moda Floors and Interiors. I just wanted to welcome you into our showroom. Right now we're standing in the window treatment section and looking at some Hunter Douglas Duette blinds. These are actually honeycomb shades and they're great at keeping in the cold when it's those hot summer months and you want to keep in the AC, or if it's those cold winter months and you want to keep in the heat. They're extremely energy efficient. They're actually honeycomb shades, so what they do is actually transfuse, whatever temperature you want to keep in, they keep it in. What's also fun about these, they have varying pleat sizes, lots of different colors, textures, shapes, and sizes. So it'll work in any room that you're looking to make it work in. What's also great about these shades is that there's plenty of operating systems. So whether you have vaulted ceilings and you have windows you can't reach, where you have to use something like PowerView, it's motorized and you can actually make it work with your home automation system. The other fun thing, there's cordless options. So if you have small kids, you have pets that you don't want to be playing with cords, they have cordless options for you. This one right here that we're looking at actually has 2 cords. What's fun about it is it's called a Duette. It has a sheer fabric on top and an opaque fabric on the bottom. So in your master bathroom, when you have a window above your tub and you need the privacy on the bottom, but you want the light to come in on top, this actually does a perfect job at transfusing that, and then you have the opacity with the privacy on the bottom.